right now prevents parents and guardians from speaking with doctors about the mental health care of a loved one. Allison?
Something has to be changed. Mike, thanks so much for bringing that to our attention.
Mike Tobin, Chicago. Nasty weather grounding air travelers across the country, but something else happening today that could have an even bigger impact on flying in the future. A look at what to expect next from the new king in the airline world.
Plus, the U.S. and its closest Middle Eastern ally not seeing eye to eye on Iran. What's next in this relationship after Israel's prime minister says this about Iran's nuclear intentions?
This is a regime committed to our destruction. And I believe there must be an unequivocal demand, alongside the negotiations of Geneva, for change in Iranian policy. This must be part and parcel of the negotiations.